I used to tuck to a smiley sticker instead of camera lens, and it actually worked. The camera lens feel like a judging eye. It's not natural to talk to a machine. Our brain see the lens a threat. That's why we freeze or feel awkward. So I needed a way to trick my brain into feeling safe. Here is what I did. I drew a smiley face on a sticker and put it right next to my camera lens, like right here. Then I pretend the sticker is a friend. I talk to the sticker, not the lens. When I talk to the sticker, my brain does not feel watched. It feels like a conversation, not a performance. My voice gets calmer, my shoulders relax. You don't need a sticker. You can use a small toy, a photo of a friend, even a pen, anything that feels friendly. Try this before your next video. Put a smiley sticker next to your lens. Then come back and tell me in the comment. Did it help you?